everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is JoJo Palacio, and on this channel we talk about all things beauty. If you're not new, welcome back. So today on my channel I look a little different. You know, your girl wears glasses every once in a while. And for us girls who wear glasses part-time and contacts the other, I just kind of want to do this tutorial to show you what I do on the days that I am going to Sephora for work and want to look glamorous but want to wear my glasses and kind of give my eyes a break. Plus, low-key, I'm kind of running out of contacts and I have to go to the doctor tomorrow to get some more. So this is what we're working with today. This is what I got. I feel like this tutorial is super simple and easy for us girls who wear glasses. Sometimes it's just kind of nice to be able to relax, give your eyes a break. And maybe you just don't like contacts. Maybe you just want to wear glasses and you want to figure out how to make how to make your makeup work with glasses. So this is the tutorial for you guys. I hope that you guys like it. It's super simple. It's nothing out of this world, but I feel like these little tips and techniques are going to help you wear makeup with your glasses so much more easier, so simple. That way you won't dread putting foundation and concealer on, you know? So I'm going to get right into this tutorial. Before I do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Look me up on Instagram. It's JoJo Palacio. We are very interactive on Instagram. I love to hear from you guys. You guys get to see a lot more behind the scenes on there. So I'm going to stop talking. I will, I promise. And let's get into this tutorial. Okay guys, so we are doing something really fun today. I feel like every once in a while I have to do stuff like this because I know we're all about glam, but we're about everything, all things beauty, right? So I wear glasses part-time. My hair looks crazy right now, but I promise it's done. I have it up in curls, but I like to keep the curls back and kind of like as they are before I undo them, so bear with me. Okay, so I wear glasses part-time. Part-time, it's so cute. So today we're doing a tutorial because I'm wearing my glasses today. One, I'm almost out of contacts, and if you wear glasses and contacts, you know the struggle is real. I'm busy, I can't get to the eye doctor, but we're doing that tomorrow. But the other reason is because sometimes I like to give my eyes a break. So even though I'm going to work at Sephora, I'm giving my eyes a break today. And so I'm going to show you what I do when I wear my glasses, like how I do my makeup when I wear my glasses. So let's get started. I am going to use a super mattifying primer. So I'm going to take this guy right here. This is a L'Oreal Infallible Matte Lock. I'm going to take this in my midsection, and this is an important step just because when you are wearing glasses, especially if you've got the acrylic frames like I do, they're cute, they're nice and big, but they slip and slide all over the place with the buildup. So I'm going to show you a few tricks for those of us who wear glasses on how to apply makeup so that you can avoid as much damage as possible, you know, if that makes any sense. So we're going to take this guy here. This is my Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I love this for the outer perimeter. It's like an extra added hydration and moisture and nourishment for my skin. It loves it so much. All right, so base is on, or foundation. So I have here the Beauty Blender foundation. I have a mini version of it. I like this. It's nice and lightweight. It's long wearing. I don't think it's a matte. It's their Bounce foundation. So we're going to try that today. I'm going to put that on with my brush. So this is technically still too light, but we'll figure it out. So this foundation I've actually had to mix with a different foundation. So the foundation combination for today is the Bounce foundation along with my Urban Decay Naked Skin foundation. The old one, not the new one. Yeah, not the Stay Naked, the Naked Skin, which is the one previous to the Stay Naked. So it's still a little pale, but I feel like I can make this work. What I typically like to do is stay away from applying too much product to my nose midsection area. That works the best for me, so I'll show you guys my technique. We're still gonna look pretty cute, you know? Still gonna look cute even though we're wearing glasses, but we're just gonna keep it really simple. And I typically like to go with lighter coverage. It's just easier on days where I'm feeling a little lazy. Glasses just kind of help me hide things. You don't have to go as over the top with eyes, you know? So, little trick, little tip. So we're still going to contour, bronze. I'm going to use my Milk flex stick to do that. All same areas, using my BH Cosmetics brush. I feel like a lot of times clients with glasses feel like they can't really wear makeup or do all the things that people without glasses do because of the glasses, and that's not the case. We just have to learn how to apply things differently when we're wearing our glasses. So this is a way to kind of still go about feeling cute wearing your makeup, but just, we actually have the advantage because we get to do less, you know? So applying that as usual. I'm kind of going for a more natural look. I don't really want to do too much today, so I might not even go in with anything for contouring. We might just give ourselves a bronzy moment and call it a day. Yeah, I think that's what we'll do. So we're leaving that right there. I'm gonna go into a concealer. So I want a concealer that's gonna stay in place. I need it to be more matte than I do glowy. I've learned, especially for this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. Love this concealer. It's so good. So the coverage is definitely there. I'm going to take that Medium Beige in the very inner corner. The Medium Beige is definitely my concealing shade, whereas Medium Sand is more of my highlighting shade. So I'm just going to take that and blend it out. Now I did put it in the inner corner, but I'm not going to bring it up the bridge of the nose like I normally do. That's going to be a very big step for us girls who wear glasses to keep the least amount of product in this area here. Because the buildup happens because of all of the oils and the constant slipping and sliding of the actual glasses. So you just want to be careful and be conscious of that area. So I have to go to the eye doctor tomorrow, and I'm thinking I'm going to completely change my glasses. Because the acrylics are so cute. They look cute on, but because of the fact that like they don't have an actual grip thing here. How can I show you guys? Okay, yeah. So they don't have an actual grip that goes to my nose, and my nose is so tiny that it's constantly like at the nares, and that's not a vibe, no. All right, so I'm gonna take the highlighting concealer and I'm gonna apply that in the center, like right directly under my pupil, and then like up almost towards the cheekbone. That's gonna help me highlight those areas. I know typically I take it like down here and go all over, but we just have to be very careful when we're applying concealer with glasses. So I'm just going to take it on the very upper part here and kind of lift, and it still does lift and brighten, but we're just doing it strategically. Take advantage and kind of correct some of the bronzing. I literally have no idea what I'm doing, just to be honest. Like I can't see a thing because my contacts are in place. So we'll find out later. Crack myself up. All right, so we are definitely going to set and bake. You know the drill. To set, we're going to use this guy right here. This is the C2. I still yet to find a drugstore powder that I like. I haven't really tried to look, so I have to do a drugstore haul soon. Like that's going to have to be a soon. So I'm going to just take that and I'm going to pat that in under the eye area. Make sure I set all of the areas we just got done messing with. Perfect. Very natural so far. Like it a lot. So the next thing I'm going to do is just kind of set the rest of my foundation, maybe even out the color a little bit. And I'm going to do that using my NYX No Filter foundation. This is in the shade Light Beige. I think this is the prettiest prettiest powder ever. All right, so I'm going to take my Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. I like this whenever I'm trying to go for a natural glow moment, not necessarily like a contoured up situation. So I'm just going to go over the Milk foundation stick and just kind of set everything. I'm taking that on my JH05 brush and just kind of reinforcing everything, making sure that it all blends together. Very pretty. Yeah. Like it. Like it. Next up, we're going to take this guy right here. This is the Makeup Forever. Oh, I can't open anything. I need to take these claws off. I can't open a thing. Woo. Makeup Forever highlighting gold highlighter. I love this highlighter. It is so pretty on my skin. I'm going to use my MAC Just a Pinch blush. Love this guy. It's the prettiest peachy, shimmery, glowy color ever. It's the very high points of my cheek. I like towards up here more. Okay, what's next? Joe V, what's next? Let's do some brows. We're honestly, seriously, almost done. I don't really do much when I wear my glasses, to be honest with you, just because why? Like, definitely you can do eyeshadow. We can do some cute eyeshadow looks. Any eyeshadow look that we've created in the past works, but this is honestly like my scapegoat, you know? Going to school or going to work and I don't feel like really doing the most. Put some glasses on. Let me get this closer. All right, so we're gonna do our brows. I'm gonna keep this pretty simple also. I'm just gonna use my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 3.5 to just help me kind of carve out my brows. I'm so excited, guys, because by the time that you guys see this video, I feel like I can finally say it, but by the time you guys see this video, I will be in esthetician school. So your girl is going to school to get her credentials, not that she needs them, but she does. You know, like I know what I know, but the world out here needs to know that I'm safe and that I've got the education I need. So I am so excited because finally, I will have that. I just feel like it's such a blessing because you know when things are all like starting to come together and different doors open and different opportunities just come in place, like you know that God is working, and I just love that. So I am super excited because we get to learn more about the skin. I love the skin. You guys know that I love talking to you guys about skin and teaching you on it. So stay tuned. I might do like a little blogging moment for my school experience. All right, guys, so let me put some lips on and do my hair, and I will be right back to do the outro. All right, guys, so this is the finished look. Sorry that the reflections are so red. I just want to kind of show you what a day in glasses looks like for me, just because this is it. Like, I'll go with the bold lip. I'll keep the skin super flawless complexion, but I will definitely go a little more simple on the eyes, and that's it. Simple. Done. You can do it. I know that you can do it. This technique really helps to avoid any buildup around the nose area. It really helps to just keep the makeup in place. If you're someone whose glasses kind of like touch down here, setting it with the powders and just kind of letting it sit there for a minute before you wipe it off, baking will really help. But that's it. It's a simple tutorial. I hope that you guys liked it. And I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post every Wednesday and every Saturday. Look me up on Instagram and Facebook. It's Jojo Palacio. Jojo Beauty Consulting LLC is also on Facebook. And I'll see you guys next time.